Chapter 2. Consonants. Consonant sounds.
B as in bat, rob, and robe.
D as in dog, road, and code.
F as in farm, photo, often, laugh, and roof.
G as in go, fog, struggle, and Ghana.
H as in hand, have, hard, ham, hair, and howl.
J as in unity, jet, jam, yard, gels, and you.
K as in kind, can, cord, lake, cake, and sink.
L as in law, lake, block, half, fly, and collect.
J as in leisure, pleasure, measure, treasure, confusion, rouge, vision, beige, casual, occasion, decision, enclosure, usual, provision, espionage, and seizure.
J as in Joseph, Jew, garage, pledge, gist, gin, ginger, and camouflage.
As in man, dam, and room.
N as in no, not, and knife.
As in sing, wing, singer, wrong, king, bank, sing, think, sunk, and rang.
Sh as in shame, shout, concession, pressure, fishing, fisher, tissue, dish, mission, nation, fiction, and diction.
Ch as in China, church, match, choice, change, and lurch.
As in road, copper, and married.
S as in say, circle, cycle, cyan, and citation.
P as in pin, cap, ripple.
T as in turn, wet, and stood.
V as in vat, vow, voucher, love, and save.
As in thin, thrush, thrush, throw, and through.
As in the, there, them, then, and this.
W as in when, one, swim, wander, and wander.
Z as in zoo, zero, zigzag, zebra, and zoom.
Consonant clusters and contrast. In this segment, emphasis is placed on aspects of consonant sounds, mostly at final positions that are intelligible to native speakers of English. Candidates' ability to recognize these consonant contrasts and nuances would stand them in good stead in Test 2, 3, 4, and 5. Consonant clusters are a situation where two or more consonants follow one another successively, as in apple, black, sink, and psychology. The major consonant contrasts or clusters are discussed or distinguished below.
Number 1. And belongs to the class of consonants referred to as lateral. Air escapes around the sides of the tongue when producing it. Is a voiceless consonant because the vocal cord does not vibrate when the sound is being made. Examples of words are lake, late, light, glass, lid, glass, climb, collect, fly, player, fly, bleed, flee. Secondly, pleasure, blight, cloud, lead, load, lot, leader. Belongs to the class of consonants referred to as semivowels. Air escapes through a relatively wide passage when pronouncing them. Other examples are h and w. Moreover, is a voiced consonant because the vocal cord vibrates when the sound is being made. Examples of words are rake, rate, right, crass, rid, grass, crime, correct, cry, prayer, fry, breed, free, secondary, pressure, bright, crowd, red, road, rot, reader.
S and Z. S is a voiceless sound that the vocal cord does not vibrate when producing it. Other examples of voiceless consonants are F, P, T, and K. Examples of final S sounds: caps, ropes, hopes, drops, caps, mocks, docks, rocks, backs, books, walks, thanks, sets, cards, scents, posts, cats, seats, ass, safes, sniffs, puffs, laughs, hiss, mace, coughs, moths, moss, moss, peace, price, face, race, force, place, dance, fence, course, girls, boss, bears, lose, mass, its, bishops, lies, sex, facts, seeks, pounds, peace, maths, use, safe, source, nieces, pairs. Z is a voice sound because the vocal cord vibrates when it is produced. Other examples of voice sounds are b, r, y, d, g, and v. If a word ends in s and the s is preceded by a voice sound, the final sound should be z. Examples of final z sounds are robs, robes, bulbs, sobs, ribs, seeds, bands, builds, ads, words, cards, bags, dogs, rags, begs, sings, things, arms, seams, farms, runs, signs, saws, occurs, days, pays, boys, leaves, lifts, pieces, peas, prizes, phases, falls, places, praises, courses, breeds, churches, wishes, raise, raises, rashes, bushes, buses, judges, chairs, cars, does, sees, ways, lies, phase, lose, as, his, please, cause, save, seizes, knees, hairs, pledges, hedges, and ledges.
Contrast: cause and
Cause,
disease and
disease,
seize and
seize,
his and
his,
lies and
lies,
lose and
lose,
knees and
knees,
price and
prize,
peace and
peas,
once and
ones,
fears and
fears,
sue and
zoo,
seal and
zeal,
sink and
zinc,
place and
plays,
trace and
trays. Note z, please, present, hesitate, resent, pleasing, easy, goes, roses, houses, examination, and was.
and v. It's a voiceless consonant. Examples of final sounds are have, safe, leave, loaf, life, safe, and proof. V. It's a voiced consonant. Examples of final v sounds are have, save, leave, live, and prove. Contrast: 5 and
5,
believe and
believe,
live and
leave,
have and
have,
life and
live,
save and
save. Number 4.
j, j, sh, ch,
And ksh. J. As in urge, dodge, John, merge, and judge. J. As in measure, pleasure, leisure, casual, vision, and decision. Sh. As in pressure, sure, short, shirt, shin, push, unleashes. Ch, as in church, teacher, cheer, unleashes. Ksh, as in fiction, diction, and crucifixion.
Number 5. Sk and ks. When pronouncing words like ask and ask, which comes first, k or s? Sk, as in ask, task, mask, mosque, dusk, sky, ski, sketch, scheme, screw, skid, skull, skin, and skirt. Ks, as in axe, box, fox, locks, rocks, socks, sacks, monks, tanks, ticks, works, walks, marks, and fix.
Finals odd in ed endings. Ed is pronounced in voiceless verbs or words. Examples: asked, walked, packed, taxed, thanked, sacked, attacked, missed, hissed, kissed, crossed, tossed, jumped, dropped, roped, ripped, stopped, developed, watched, reached, laughed, punished, washed, pushed, bathed, launched, punched, set, coughed, forced, faced, danced, noticed, convinced, graced, seized, teased, sacred, Christ, and apartheid. Ed is pronounced in verbs or words ending in voiced consonants. Examples: tried, lead, grazed, loved, sighed, weighed, and hugged. Ed is pronounced it in verbs ending in t, odd. Examples: handed, tainted, painted, wanted, and fainted.
Number 7. Th and d. They and they. Thy and die. There and there. Lather and ladder. Then and then. Though and though. Mother and mother. Other and order. Brother and brother. Those and those. Rhythm and rhythm.
Ant, thigh and tie, 3 and 3, 4th and 4th, maths and maths, filth and fits, booth and boot, thought and thought, oath and oath, thread and thread, thin and thin, through and through, thanks and thanks, them and term, thick and thick, theme and team, faith and fit.
Number 9. Th and z. Contrast. Breathe, breathe and breeze. Booth and booze. Clothed and close. Bathe and base. With and ways. Loaf and loaf.
Number 10. And sin and sing, thin and thing, sinner and singer, winner and winger, fishing and fishing, pan and pang, mountain and mountain, sun and sung, run and rang, bang and bang, wing and wing, king and king.
Number 11. Take note of the following terminal sounds: physical, mechanical, puzzle, marble, formal, capital, and martial.